father-in-law will explain to you how to make an English hot chocolate.
Right. We take a sachet of instant hot chocolate. I use capillaries. And we open it into a cup. You take a jug and pour in 200 milliliters ml of plain water. Pour it in a kettle and it must boil up. Just a second, put it in the kettle and switch it on. When it's boiled, you take your spoon and mix it gradually in the chocolate powder. Stirring because it can make lumps. You stir it until all the powder is liquid. Pour the remaining 200, well, it's less now, but pour the remaining hot water and you can add hot milk or drink it as it is. It's already sweetened.
See you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching on this video. That was our chocolate is made in England. So in the meantime, I wish a nice weekend and see you in the next video. Bye.